Every parent wants to help, but sometimes help becomes the very thing that holds your child back. Doing their laundry seems small, but it silently tells them, you can't manage on your own. Paying their bills feels generous, but it whispers, I don't trust you to handle money. Giving constant advice may feel like guidance, but it lands as pressure and control. Covering their mistakes makes you the safety net they never learned to live without. Even rescuing them from consequences like calling the boss when they're late teaches them dependency instead of resilience. These helpful habits create a hidden message. I don't believe you can do this alone. That message kills confidence. The shocking truth is that by rescuing, you are stealing their chance to learn, fail, and rise. Real help is not carrying their weight, but showing them how to carry it. If you step back, even a little, you open the door for them to step forward. The challenge is resisting the urge to fix things quickly. Growth is slow, messy, and often uncomfortable. But in that discomfort is where independence is born. The very best way you can help is to stop helping in ways that hurt and start guiding in ways that empower. Stay tuned for more. Please subscribe.